Let's see how to make this cake topper. Here are some cake crumbs and here is some compound chocolate. I have melted the compound chocolate in microwave. Now mix the chocolate and the cake crumbs properly. Do remember to wash your hands clean before doing this. Here is some shortening and a small cake ring. Apply some shortening to the inner side of the cake ring. Then keep the cake ring on a parchment paper. Then fill the cake ring with the cake dough up to the brim. Then keep it in fridge to set firm. Once it's set, remove it from the cake ring as shown. Now make a rope out of fondant using the mold as shown. Now wrap this rope around the cake dough. Then repeat the process till the cake dough is covered with it on the sides. Now cut a circle out of fondant and cover the top of the cake dough with it. Then cover its rim with a fondant rope. Now take a foam ball of 3 to 4 inch in size, measure its circumference and divide it into 8 parts using a food writer pen as shown. Cut out a parchment paper of the shape of one of those 8 parts. And using that parchment paper, cut out 4 blue fondant and 4 white fondant pieces. Apply some shortening to the foam ball. Then stick the blue and white fondant pieces as shown. Take a food grade Ziploc bag and keep the foam ball on it and smoothen the joints with a fondant smoother. Now put some edible glue on the joints and cover them with fondant rope. Here is a small cute teddy bear I have made. Insert it into the bottom part of the hot air balloon. Now insert 2 long skewers at the sides of the teddy bear. Now make 2 holes into the foam ball and insert it into the 2 skewers. Hot air balloon is ready. Isn't it cute?